you can see it.
You know how hard it is to
Wow.
expressing mine.
She's on right there too.
What?
Keep shooting, Tanya.
No, I got this one back here.
It's right
Run it.
damn close.
Oh my God. That is big. That is big.
Oh, it's rotating right here.
Holy shnikes!
My ears are popping.
Yeah, mine. Oh, mine
No.
too.
Oh,
Are we gonna get in the ditch?
No.
Oh, yeah, you can see the wind rotating right here.
Yeah.
wow.
Oh, you weren't kidding about your ears popping.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nothing.
Is
Oh.
wow.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Speeding tickets be damned.
Oh, look at the parade of vehicles.
All right, it crossed the road. It's on. It's on the other side of the road behind us.
Yeah.
It's gonna be on the left side here in a second.
But there's
Oh, it's got a
it's
sister.
dropping.
The top of the tornado up there.
No, it's just big.
It's just big. Oh, there goes debris.
Oh, there's a roof or something that came off.
Big branch or something. Catching up with us.
Yeah.
It is catching
Yeah,
up with
it
us. I
is.
can see it now. On the ground. And it's right there.
Yeah, I know.
It is literally
Yeah, it is. It
following
is
the
right
road.
behind us.
What direction is this
But I
road?
don't see any cars getting blown off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trees. Watch the trees. He didn't say stopping, did he?
It's right behind us.
Well, I guess you can't really outrun it at
Oh.
this point.
Are we seriously
We're staying
stopping?
ahead.
You see the point of it right there on the
Okay,
Oh,
it's on the other
yes.
side of the road. It's moving to the
away.
left.
It's moving away.
It's moving away.
Right there, right there.
Okay, watch out. Here comes the wind. Here comes the wind. I wouldn't get out, but Bill's getting out.
What'd he say?
Here comes the wind and the rain. I just get it from here. Get it.
No.
Get in, go!
Jesus.
It's okay.
Go. That's some really good pictures.
We've been videoing and somebody let us in. Somebody let us in. Let us in.
Oh, come on, Jonas.